Forgotten username recovery failed on current banking fix. If you've tried recovering your current banking username and failed, most people get it wrong by skipping verification or using an outdated email. You won't believe how simple it can be to regain access when you follow the correct steps. Step 1. Open the current app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Current will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can easily get filtered automatically. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, phone number, and recent transaction activity. Contact current support directly with this information. Details about recent deposits or linked accounts help speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it safely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and prevents future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your current banking account efficiently and securely. Proper verification and credential management keep your finances uninterrupted and safe.